morning everyone, this is Amit Pabari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. From last few weeks we have been discussing what will be the trend of dollar index in 2024, which asset classes you should invest in 2024. Like we are very bullish on gold right now. That is why we made a presentation last week that gold is going to move higher. In today's presentation we are going to discuss how emerging market currencies are going to perform, and if they are going to perform well, what is the impact of that on Indian exporters. सबसे पहले समझते हैं what are emerging market currencies. Emerging market currencies like India, China, Brazil, Mexico, ये सब emerging market के constituents होते हैं. Now let me show you an interesting data point. If you see the chart from 2010 till today, most of the emerging market currencies have got weakened against the dollar, but the chart is showing that there are high chances that in 2024 we will see a reversal. Now let us understand why the reversal will happen. If that happened, it means that all emerging market currencies are going to get stronger. First point है widening interest rate differential between US and other emerging market currencies. अगर ये जब इंटरेस्ट रेट डिफरेंशियल बढ़ता है, देन व्हाट पीपल विल डू, कैरी ट्रेडर्स जो होते हैं दे विल बोरो इन लो यील्डिंग कंट्री से बोरो करेंगे, लाइक जापान से बोरो करेंगे, एंड दे विल इन्वेस्ट इन इमर्जिंग मार्केट करेंसीज. अगर ऐसा होता है तो इमर्जिंग मार्केट कंट्रीज में फ्लो आता है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच दे गेट अप्रिशिएटेड. सेकेंड रीजन है विच वी हैव बीन डिस्कसिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट कपल ऑफ मंथ्स. वी थिंक दैट फेड इज गोइंग टू pivot in the year 2024. If that happened, dollar is going to get weaker. Third reason है, if we study the entire emerging market country का fundamentals, we find that there are early indication that they are going to do well. And the last reason is that जो भी emerging market countries के अंदर पे जैसे ब्राज़ील है, वो commodity driven economy है. We expect commodity driven to do well. That is why if you see ब्राज़ील का जो स्टॉक मार्केट है, इट हैज़ गॉन अप बाय 20% इन द करंट ईयर, एंड इट्स करेंसी इज ऑल्सो अप्रिशिएटेड. जब भी हम इमर्जिंग मार्केट करेंसीज का बात करते हैं, वी ट्राई टू सी व्हाट इज द प्रिडिक्शन फॉर चाइनीज करेंसी, बिकॉज there is 80 to 85% correlation between Chinese currency and Indian currency. So in our 14th November video, we said that Chinese currency, which is trading near 7.30 kind of a level, it is going to move towards 7.23 and 7.19. Now that target is achieved. From current level of 7.16, we are expecting it to move towards 7.03. That is our first target, and ultimately we are expecting it to move towards 6.92. Let me show you one more interesting data point. ये डेटा पॉइंट को देखेंगे तो इट इज गिविंग अस अ क्लियर कट इंडिकेशन दैट आउट ऑफ ऑल इमर्जिंग मार्केट करेंसीज और कंट्री, इंडिया इज परफॉर्मिंग रियली वेल ऑन ऑल फंडामेंटल पैरामीटर्स. तो इससे कंक्लूड क्या करते हैं, अगर किसी भी कंट्री का फंडामेंटल स्ट्रॉन्ग है, प्लस वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्लोज टू कम फ्रॉम डेवलप मार्केट टू इमर्जिंग मार्केट, देन that country currency should appreciate. So basically 8350 to 8375 is going to act as a very very strong resistance for the pair, and gradually we expect the pair to move towards 82 and 8180 kind of levels. ये तो हो गया broader view. Now let us discuss outlook for rupee for coming days. In next 7 to 15 days, there are few corporates who are going to raise funds in dollar, close to $2 billion, which is positive for rupee. But now the important question is whether RBI is going to buy at lower level or they are allowing rupee to appreciate below 83. That only time will answer. Till the time rupee remains in a range between 80 to 90 on the lower side, and 8340 is going to act as a strong resistance. Any level above 8320 should be used by an exporter to increase their hedge ratio. Now let us discuss strategy for thin margin exporters like agri exporter or chemical exporters. Thin margin exporters are taking costing between 83 से लेके 8320. Their margins are low and forward premiums are lower than that, because of which we will suggest them that they should ideally hedge 100% between 8320 to 8340 kind of levels. If anyone wants to wait, they should keep a strict stop loss of 8290 or costing, whichever is higher. Now let us discuss strategy for thick margin exporters like textile exporters or engineering exporters. Between 83.15 to 83.40, they should hedge 80 to 85% of the confirm order. If they are hedging on an anticipation basis, they should keep a hedge ratio between 55 to 60%. Now let us discuss strategy for importers. Importers should not panic and cover long-term imports. Ideal strategy for them is that they should only cover near-term imports. So between 83.05 to 83.10 kind of a level, they should hedge 50% of their import payable which are due for next 15 days. Above that, they should keep a strict stop loss of 83.50 and wait. With this, I will end my today's presentation. Jai Hind, Namaskar, फिर मिलेंगे next week. Thank you.